Help! My washing machine is not reliably emptying the water from the spin cycle. I got on WikiHow and I've checked the drain hose. It's not clogged up, it's draining, but the water is just not going up where it's supposed to go into the wall. And let me show you some footage of that. Kim Townsel here. If you have any ideas, I surely would like to know them. It's a Kenmore washer, 80 series. I opened it earlier today and it was not draining water. This is not the load. I did get it to drain out of my towels and they have been successfully laundered today. But I went on WikiHow and I pulled everything out, took the cord off, put it in the bathtub, ran hot water through it. It wasn't clogged up at all, and got the towels to successfully drain. I checked it and water was just pouring through here. It worked just fine. So I decided to test it with a smaller load of clothes to make sure it was working before I put like a big huge load of heavy towels in again, and these failed to drain. So I can show you, like when I put it on spin, close it up. This is the noise that it makes. And there's no water coming out. Let me close it. Show you that no water's coming out. However, if I take this and put it lower, yeah, water's coming out now. Nasty, dirty water. So I'm thinking it's a pump, right? Because it just doesn't want to push that water up that pipe. But it will push it out when it's slower. Even though the washing machine's not spinning. When I spin, you really get that water out. So I gotta stop and get this handled. Now I have that to deal with. Oh God. So now I'm trying this. I have something under there in case the pot busts off again. And I've got this to collect it in hopes that most of it's going to come in the wastebasket. Everything pulled out already. And I'm putting it on the lowest level, but I need to rinse these clothes because they still had a lot of suds on them. Oh, let's see if this works. Pretty dirty water. I was able to rinse the clothes and get them drained like this, but obviously I don't want to have to go through this every time I do a load of clothes, at least not for very long. And I'm thinking it might be the pump, because the water will drain as long as the pump end is low. It just doesn't do it at the end when there's not a lot of pressure pushing it out. So I'm thinking it's a pump. What do you guys think?